Hi friends, welcome to Gardening is My Love. In this brand new episode, let me introduce to you Bilva Sharbat or Bilva drink. Now first let me introduce to you what is Bilva. Its botanical name is Aegle marmelos. It is commonly found in dry hilly areas of the country. Trees are also planted near temples and in gardens. Fruit as well as the bark of the tree are utilized in Ayurvedic system of healthcare. So let me bring before you some of the uses of Bilva or bilvapatra. It is used extensively in the treatment of dysentery and diabetes. Secondly, the dried fruit pulp is used in preparation of Sharbat, summer drinks, which helps to overcome sunstroke. Bay leaves are used in the preparation of salads. Bay fruit pulp absorbs the toxin produced by bacteria and other pathogens in the intestine, thus helping in the treatment of dysentery. Bale can be used in the formulation of Ayurvedic medicine for loss of appetite. Bell oil is used to cure respiratory problems. Bell fruit is used in the preparation of candy, squash, toffees, pulp, and other eatable products. Bell is anti-inflammatory in nature. Its extracts, when applied on the exposed area, help to cure inflammation. Bell leaf juice with honey can prove useful for treating fever. Bilva can be used to treat tuberculosis. Bilva is rich in antioxidants, which helps in insulin secretion, which leads to low blood sugar levels. It's a very good fruit for diabetic patients. So now let me bring before you how you can make the summer drink. Now in this video I have taken the few Bilva fruits. You can observe one thing, that Bilva fruits are very hard. So first thing is you have to cut the Bilva fruit, then open it, and with the spoon you can scoop the pulp, which is yellowish in color. Now in my preparation I have used misri, is candy sugar or rock sugar, along with Bilva fruit pulp. So I have put the Bilva fruit pulp along with water and misri, that is candy sugar. Then I have squeezed Bilva pulp very nicely, and it has got a very aromatic scent. So after that, once you squeeze nicely, then you can stir it till the candy sugar is dissolved. Then this fruit juice can be served, and Bilva is very good for your intestine. It helps in absorbing the toxins produced by bacteria and other pathogens in the intestine. Bilva is even worshipped in our country. Therefore, you can find most of the Bilva tree near Shiv temples. So this is how you prepare the Bilva drink, which is very, very good for our intestine. So thank you for watching this episode. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like and share. Your one like will motivate me to come up with many more videos. Thank you.
ಅಲ್ಲ